Today, let's talk about the string in detail, right? We can include the string value in double quotes as well as single quotes. Let's see. Name equal sorry. At this line, I use double quotes for string value, right? And our second variable, I take last name for my second variable and equal it to ලියනගේ. At the second line, I use single quotes for the string value, right? Let's print these two values. If you want to break the line, use concatenate and again you can use this. This means next line, right? And let's run it. See, you can see our values. Now you can see clearly we can use double quotes and single quotes for the string values, right? Without any issues, we can use quotes inside quotes. Like this, right? Print we can use like this. It's a cat, right? We can print this without any issues, right? We have a code like this. Now, see, without any issues we can print it, right? As well as you can use double quote. Her name is Joe, right? Oh, what's the issue? This time, if you use the double quotes for whole sentence, you use you should use the single quotes for this one. If you right now we have until here. See, we can use this. If you use single quotes for whole sentence, you should use the double quotes for the name or something, right? See, it's a condition, I think. So, if you use double quotes, you should use single quotes for this one. And if you use single quotes, you can use double quotes for this, but you can't single quotes for representing this, right? You can't use same quotes for this type string things. Now we can we want to print the paragraph type things, right? It has multiple lines now. If you want to print multiple lines, you can use triple single quote or triple double quotes, right? Like this. Right, you can see yeah, 3. We have multiple lines, right? Now we can print this using print A. See, you can print as it is. You can use triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Don't forget to try it with single triple quotes. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.